Hello! In this video we would like to demonstrate how you can change the payment method on Spotify. For that, it is required that we open up the web version of the Spotify. Unfortunately, the app itself will not work. So let me do just that. I'll create a new tab. In here I will type in spotify.com. Here go for the account overview. Scroll down for a little bit, make sure that account overview is chosen among the available sections or categories. In here you will see your plan section. After that, just tap on the update option or update button, and in here simply choose the new payment method that you would like to use. Should it be any other or any new credit or debit card or PayPal, just like so. It also, depending on the country which you have the subscription from, it can display different options over here. So that's how you can basically change the payment method for Spotify. Therefore, that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.